welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to convert this ugly looking plazo into a beautiful dress, and that is very easy to make. So without further ado, let's start the video.
I bought this plazo from Sarojini Nagar market for 150 rupees, but I didn't like its fitting, so I never worn it since. The lining used underneath is of very poor quality. Any which way, I'm not going to use it. I opened the elastic belt and inseams of the plazo using the seam ripper. Also, I removed inner seam panels which were cut in shape of the crouch to make it straight. So this is what I've got. I'm checking the length of the bodice I need to cut from the length. Checking if the length will be enough or not. I will take 11 inches for bodice, and I also join both the legs from one side. And this much flare I'm getting, which is great. Cutting the fabric for bodice. This fabric is in panel and I'm not worried about that because when I will shear the fabric, it won't look bad. I will picot the top and the bottom of the bodice to ensure it doesn't fray. I will picot the top of the skirt part as well. Using this thin elastic for shearing the fabric, which you will easily get in the local market. It is very important to stretch the elastic while filling the bobbin so that you get the maximum stretch in the fabric. Also, maximum elastic in your bobbin. Earlier I tried it in my jack machine, but I guess it needs servicing, so I'm using my Singer machine for this work. I stitched the elastic at every 1 cm of the fabric, and this is what I got. My fabric wasn't straight, it was in pieces, also in biased shape. That's why I'm getting this kind of curvish shape. I may add darts in the bodice if I need to make it more fitted. I will stitch the sides of the bodice as well. Then to attach the skirt part, I will put gathers and attach it with the bodice. Also, before doing that, I took out 4 panels from the sides to make these shoulder straps, which I'm going to attach on the neckline of the dress, and the dress is complete.
I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram account. And if you happen to make this dress, please tag me there. See you guys next time. Love you all.